Hey listeners, I want you to imagine this. You're logging into your Google business profile and you're just using a few simple strategies, and within minutes your competitor drops and you take their place. Now it sounds like a dream, right? But here's the thing, that's not a dream. It's absolutely doable, and in this email and on this podcast I'm going to show you exactly how you can make that happen for your business. And I also, just for some social proof, here's just a few things that people are saying about my particular efforts to consult with you and help you. Shaman Akhtar said, Zanet is an expert that you can trust to enhance your Google business profile. Amazing experience. These are real reviews on Google if you want to check them out. So these strategies we're going to look at work fast and they're easy to follow. And I call them the switcheroo. And today I'm going to show you exactly what I do to leapfrog my competition. So, switcheroo number one. And you can apply this by exposing and eliminating fake competitors. So did you know that many of your competitors are playing dirty with fake or spammy listings? Maybe you know that. You'll know they put keywords in, they try to get duplicated profiles up and running, and generally they're just trying to outrank you by putting such a bulk amount of profiles ahead of you that you just end up dropping out the top 20. Well, that's the way it unfortunately works. But Google wants you to report these, and doing so can quickly bump your business up and also push them back down to where they belong. So how do you do it? Well, I use a really simple tool called Local Falcon, and you just open this tool up, you then look at your business and just search for your business category on there. And then secondly, what it will do, it'll automatically spot any fake, duplicate or suspicious listings. It'll tell you where they are, what they are, and then it will then tell you what to do. So basically you can flag it, you can report it, there's Google's readdressal form, and basically you flag anything that's inappropriate. Google will then take immediate action and they'll sort it out. Now, Local Falcon Search provides you a list of the competitors, what they do, the potential spam they have, the inactive listings. Some may be duplicated, some may have no reviews or no ratings, and that raises a flag. Some might not have a website. And in my email here, you can see all the potential spams listed. It gives a very clear definition as to what you can do and how you can go about it. So consider using the suggest and edit button on the listing, or report it or flag it. It's fast, it's effective, it does give you a switcheroo, and it works. Robert Ham a few weeks back said, after having trouble with my Google Maps listing getting suspended for no apparent reason, I contacted Zanet. His advice was spot on and my listing was reinstated quickly. So again, social proof that this works. But here's switcheroo number two, and this one's a new one that people are trying now, and it's really, really working. And it's all about your opening hours. Use your opening hours to win. See, here's a lesser known ranking factor, that opening hours actually affect your ranking. If you're open while your competitor's closed, Google gives you a boost in rankings. It's that simple. So how do you go about knowing what hours you need to open to outrank your competitor? Well, there's a free tool called Plepper. So you download Plepper, you then go into Google Maps and just check your competitor's hours. The way you do that is you just search for your type of category, and it'll then look at all the hours that are being used by your competitors, and it'll work out a percentage of when they're open. And then you just need to adjust your hours to stay open longer. This can impact your ranking almost immediately. So the image in the email, you can see the 9 till 5 as the average, but some are outside of that. Some start at 8, some go right through to 8 in the evening. Now, just one word of warning here. If you're not going to be open at that time, don't put open. So don't just go for 24-hour opening. It may get you a boost straight away, but long term, that's not going to really make your business customers happy if they turn up at 3 in the morning and you're not open. Ryan Henderson said, again, social proof, I booked a call with Zanet after seeing his great content on YouTube around SEO and GMB optimization. The info provided during the call was excellent. Again, not my words, social proof from Ryan Henderson. But switcheroo number 3, and this is the one that actually works best, but it's the one that's going to take a bit more effort from you because we're going to fast track your optimization. So to do that, I know optimizing your profile might sound like a long process, but when I consult with my clients, I find very quickly within just a few minutes, there's normally 5 to 10 things I can find straight away that's going to have a big impact. Now, here's what works. What I do is I run a complete audit on your business. I look at your Google business profile. I look at the brand strength, and I get a really clear picture and understanding of where you can improve. Next thing then, we hop on a call together, do a Zoom call. I walk you through exactly what I found, what you need to do to get those quick upper hand on your competitors. And we even share screens. I show you exactly what I've done and how I think you can improve. And then finally, we then work out a clear strategy. We work out some links. We work out how to go about ranking you, improving your brand, just so that your business then can rank higher. And not only does it have a boost that day, but also it then has a long-term strategy for ranking success. And the picture just shows one of the competitors and their success there. Melissa Moody said it best. She said, I met with Zane to go over our Google business page, but I got way more information and help from a meeting than I expected. This was 5 weeks ago. So if you're ready to dominate your Google rankings and knock your competitors down a notch or two, then you do need to book your consultation with me. And you just head over to my website, zanet.co.uk, and there you'll see you can book a call with me. And then we can get started together. Meanwhile, apply these switcheroo tactics I've mentioned in this email, and I guarantee you'll start seeing results faster than you thought possible. So stay ahead of the competition, and I'll see you next week.